Hello Quora users, today I walk you through the process of enabling two-factor authentication 2FA on Quora, adding an extra layer of security to your account. Let's begin. Start by logging into your Quora account using your username and password. Once logged in, you'll be ready to enable 2FA. Navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture or the profile icon at the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the section labeled Security. Here, you'll find options to manage your account security settings, including two-factor authentication. Find the two-factor authentication settings and click on the Enable or Turn On button. This will prompt Quora to guide you through the setup process. To ensure everything is set up correctly, log out of your Quora account and attempt to log back in. Quora should prompt you to enter a verification code before granting access. And that's it, you've successfully enabled 2FA on Quora, enhancing the security of your account. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.